Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Back up any critical files if possible, and create a Windows USB recovery drive so you can repair system files. Once done, force the advanced startup environment by holding Shift while you click Restart or repeatedly tap F8 during boot. You do this because the regular desktop won't load, so you need recovery tools. Make sure to choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. This gives you safe access to Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt for the next steps. Now you perform the core repairs. First, try Startup Repair to fix common boot issues automatically. It can resolve missing or corrupted boot files. If that fails, open Command Prompt and run chkdskc/f to fix disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair system files. Once those complete, boot into safe mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates that prevent normal startup. You do these steps because disk integrity and system file consistency are the most common causes of a stuck loading screen. Finish by repairing the boot configuration. From Command Prompt, run bootrec/fixmber, then bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore the bootloader. After that, reboot. If Windows still stalls, use System Restore to roll back to a working point or choose Reset while keeping files. If you still see the loading animation, test RAM and the SSD. Hardware faults mimic software symptoms. One key tip: swap or reseat RAM sticks and test the drive on a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.